Okay. Napunta tayo sa sa applications, okay? So anong applications ng napag-aralan natin na say the periodic table and the quantum numbers? So this is actually very important in assigning electronic configurations. And electronic configurations are very important to explain chemical reactivity. Okay? Ano yung usual na tinuturo ng mga teachers sa high school to write electronic configuration? Nung nag-aaral ako, they usually teach this, okay? They usually teach this diagram. Okay? So depende na lang depende kung anong una. So you're going to start here and then you're going to end depende kung ilang electrons meron ka. Well, there's nothing wrong about this, but I would like that you are going to have a new paradigm in teaching how to write electronic configuration. Again, sabi ko kanina, yung periodic table is present in all chemistry classrooms. So bakit hindi mo na lang gamitin yung periodic table? So the electronic configuration, okay, is actually based on the NL system. Anong ibig kong sabihin? Okay. Say for example, isulat natin yung electronic configuration ng zinc. Okay, nilagyan ko ng malaking itim na dot dito. This is the placement of zinc. So what I would like to do is I simply traverse, okay, the periods across the blocks. Okay, anong ibig mong sabihin? Okay, so I'm going to start, okay, period 1. So it's going to be n equals 1, okay? So on the s orbital, okay? So this is going to be simply 1s2, okay? So your n is 1, your L is 0, okay? Now, but you have 2 electrons. Next, okay? 2s2, 2p6, okay? 3s2, 3p6. Okay? 4s2, 4s2, and then pag pumapasok ka sa D block, n is minus 1 for the D block. Okay? So this is going to be 3D, not 4D. Okay? So period number. So 4 minus 1, so that's 3, and then 3D. Okay? So 3D10. Okay? So that's actually how to write the electronic configuration. Kung actually titignan natin tong Aufbau principle, tong build-up principle na to, Aufbau in German, actually it's going to reflect the periodic table din. Kasi tignan mo, buburahin ko to. Okay? So 1s, 2s, okay? 2p, 3s, and so forth and so on. So, well, I mean, writing this actually, I mean, is an extra effort. So my suggestion is use the periodic table, okay? Then one last thing before I go to my problems, I would like to actually interpret the electronic configuration in terms of the quantum numbers. Syempre, I mean, kailangan i-connect na natin yung topics na yon, okay? Okay? So, from the previous slide, we have actually written the electronic configuration. Now we are going to dissect, okay, the electronic configuration using the quantum numbers, okay? So ang ginawa ko dito, I mean, ni-rearrange ko. So yung 4s2 3d10, binaliktad ko lang, okay? And then I actually colored them, okay? So 1s2, so it tells you that in the first energy level, you have an s orbital. Okay? So, naka-yellow yun. Then, second energy level, n equals 2. So, you have 2 types. Okay? So, S and P. Tignan natin yung illustration, yung model ni Schrodinger. Right? N equals 2, may SP. Ako, ang ganda-ganda, di ba? Okay? Tapos, pag gusto natin malaman yung M sub L values, okay, negative 1, 0, 1, kasi yung L is 1, that's actually a Px, Py, and Pz. Ayan, Px, Py, and Pz. And then the maximum number of orbitals, okay? The maximum number of electrons per orbital is 2. Okay? And then, N equals 3. Meron kang S, P, and D. Tama nga ba? Yes. Okay? And then, kung gusto nating i-expand ito, say for example, just looking at yung D, okay, bakit nga ba D10 ito? Okay, because M sub L, okay, for L, is the M sub L for L equals to our negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, limang orbitals, okay? Ayan, yung mga limang uri ng d orbitals. Okay? Limang uri times 2. So basically, it's basically 10. Okay? So, and then, the spin is actually manifested by the electron pairs. Okay? Kaya nakita natin bakit, I mean, by multiples of 2 ito. Okay? Siyempre, pag binigyan ko kayo ng odd, okay, ng odd electron species, kunwari gallium, okay? So 31. So of course, I mean, meron kang isang remainder sa huli. Okay?